Introduction to data types.
Data types are the foundation of programming, guiding how data is stored and processed. Python, JavaScript, and Java each use core data types, but their rules and syntax differ. Mastering these differences is essential for writing reliable code and avoiding errors as you build your tech career.
Core data types in Python.
In Python, common data types include integers, int, floating points, float, strings, str, booleans, bool, and lists. Python types are dynamic, meaning you don't need to declare them explicitly. Be careful with indentation as it impacts syntax, and use quotation marks consistently in strings to prevent errors.
JavaScript data types and syntax.
JavaScript features data types like numbers, strings, booleans, undefined, null, objects, and arrays. Variable declarations use let, const, or var. JavaScript is also loosely typed, so types can change unexpectedly. Watch out for missing semicolons, inconsistent quotation marks, and confusing equals versus equals comparisons.
Java data types and declaration.
Java requires explicit type declarations such as int, double, boolean, string, and arrays. Syntax is strict. Each statement ends with a semicolon, and variable types cannot change. Be sure to match variable types and always initialize variables before using them to avoid compiler errors.
Common pitfalls and how to avoid them.
Typical mistakes include confusing data types, misusing assignment operators, or forgetting language-specific syntax such as semicolons in Java or JavaScript, or indentation in Python. Always check if the data type matches the operation. Running small tests and reading error messages carefully can help catch issues early in your code.
Building confidence with data types.
Understanding data types in Python, JavaScript, and Java helps you write clearer and more reliable code. Practice by experimenting in code editors, studying official documentation, and tackling simple exercises. Over time, careful attention to syntax and type rules will enhance your programming skills and boost your career in tech.